dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading for singles only, and this is a reading from 1st of November till the end of November. So let's start, Aquarius. Your recent past energy regarding love, or your recent past energy in general was recent past energy. Page of Swords. I feel like you were very rude in the recent past, or you were stalking somebody on social media, you were constantly looking at their pictures, thinking about them, or you had just started a connection online with somebody, might be online dating or something like that. But I can clearly see online connection here with somebody. Might be stalking them, looking over their pictures, or missing them, or something like that. Or you might be dating somebody in the past, or online dating via some online dating app or something. Or if it is not your story, then I am getting the story that you were very rude in the past. You were like cutting out all the people from your life, or cutting out all the negativity, toxicity, and all that shit that was not working out for you. Okay, so let me clarify the Page of Swords in your past energy. So King of Swords, Death card, and the Eight of Wands. Yeah, there was an ending in a situation. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, or you could be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, another air sign. Okay, there was an ending to a situation in the recent past, and you ended it deliberately. It was like your decision to end things with this particular person, whomsoever you were dealing with. And after this ending, you were very clear. You were very clear and honest. There was a very clear and honest conversation from your side that you just want to end this connection with them, or this is not working out, or you were not just you just took the decision by with your head, not by your heart. So that's why I felt like I feel like you felt that time it was required. This breakup or this separation was required at that time. I'm seeing that, and that's why I think you are stalking them and you're watching what they are doing, and you are just interested in and curious in knowing what they are doing right now. Okay, so this was you who disconnected with them, who separated with them deliberately. This was you only, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Aquarius. Your current energy is Four of Swords. You are right now in the taking a break period of your life, taking a break, contemplating, thinking about everything, taking a step back and understanding what the actual shit is happening with you and how you should deal with this. You're not ready at all for any kind of emotional drama, emotional games, or emotional uh, experience right now. So I feel like you are completely shutting off your emotions right now, and you're just trying to work with your mind, go ahead with your mind. Okay, and the Four of Swords is basically a card of healing because you are heartbroken, or you were having some kind of situation that was not working out in your favor. So that's why you were sad or depressed or something, and that's why you are right now emotionally off. Okay, trying your best to come out of this situation. Let me clarify the Four of Swords for you in your current energy. The World, the Ace of Swords, and the Hanged Man. Okay, after this separation, after this breakup, or after this thing that was not working out between you guys, you tried to restart this connection again with them, or at least energetically the energy was present, or the energy is present, you can say. This is your current energy. So after this separation, you are feeling like there's something that is left between us, and this relationship is not completely over. So that's why you're trying your best to restart this connection. You're trying your best to forget about the past and just go with the flow and restart the connection. But you're stuck. You have a stuck energy. This is again, you want a restart, you want to have a reconciliation, I can see that, but you're stuck. And you are in meditation phase right now. You are in this phase where you are like taking a step back and understanding that this is not the right time, or might be this is not the right situation to be in right now. So I just want to heal. This is, you just want to heal, and then afterwards you will see what will happen to you. Okay, this is your current energy. So Aquarius, let's see what is your energy for new love, or if you're dating somebody new in your life, or if somebody new is coming to your life. Let's see. Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment. Wish fulfillment. I have to check what kind of wish fulfillment it is, but there is something that is going to make you really, really happy. There's something that is going to make you really happy in November. And I feel like the person that you were connected with, he or she is going to connect with you, or he or she is going to have a initiation, or he or she is going to initiate the chat or conversation or the friendship from their side, and that is going to make you really, really happy. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups. Let me clarify. Nine of Cups has energy for love. Let me see. Wheel of Fortune and the Sun card and Nine of Cups. Beautiful energy. Wheel of Fortune and the Sun card, both are the card of luck and prosperity and happiness and success. And see, this process is very slow, and you were waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time. Now finally this happiness is coming to you. This person really makes you happy. This love offer is really going to make you happy. I feel like this person, I don't see this is a new person. This is somebody for whom you were waiting from a very long time. Now this person is coming to your life with lots of love, with lots of emotions, and they're going to show it to you. So the tables are turning in your favor slowly but surely. The luck is going to favor you in November, and you are going to be really, really happy because this person is going to finally open up to you, and this person is going to offer you this love, cup of love. Although I don't see much stability, I mean in the commitment thing or the marriage thing, but this person is opening up and coming back to you, and they are going to offer you this love, and this is your wish fulfillment. This is your wish fulfillment. Your wish is going to be granted by the universe. Okay, cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November, the potential outcome for you. So your current energy for love is happiness. You will be really happy if the past person will come back. I don't see any new person here, but yes, the past person is coming with lots of love. Hermit could be dealing with a Virgo here. So I feel like this energy of this person coming back to you and offering you this love. This is your energy actually towards a new love, or a person, or a new person in your life. It could be possible. It could be really possible that somebody new is coming to your life, and their love offer is going to make you really happy. It could be possible, but for most of you, the past person is only here. The past energy is here. Okay, this love offer is really going to make you very, very happy. So the potential outcome is that you are going to seek the answers from within. You are going to go within rather than outside. Okay, you are going to be in the spiritual state of mind, and you are going to be like, yeah, okay, I will see what will happen. I am prepared for everything. Or it is like you are preparing yourself for everything. Let me clarify the Hermit as a potential outcome for you. Queen of Swords and the King of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Lots of cards. So it could be possible there are lots of people involved in this connection with you. Might be from their side, might be from your side, might be from both of your side. Like from your side also, from their side also. It could also be possible that you guys are dealing with so many people at the same time. Multiple partners or multiple relationships or something like that. For some of you. For others of you, I feel like you are going to think, and you are not going to jump into the connection just like that. You will be really happy from inside, but you will be like, yeah, I have to take some time. I can see the passion, but where is the commitment? But where is the commitment? You are going to think about the long-term potential about the long-term commitment issue of this connection with this particular person. Okay, so you are really going to take a break, and you are going to be very honest and open with them, that the passion is okay, everything is fine, I just don't want passion. You are going to cut out the passion and you want stability. This is what you want. And that's why I feel like you're going to go within and seek answers whether I need this relationship in my life or not, whether I really want this person in my life or not. This type of questions you're going to ask yourself. Okay? So there will be a spiritual awakening, there will be a soul awakening regarding this particular relationship, whomsoever you were connected with in the past. There will be this spiritual awakening about what you really want in your life. Okay, Aquarius? So Aquarius, thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.